So it turns out bigger isn't always better. Let's talk about a topic that many of us face at some point in our lives, downsizing. Specifically, is your house larger than your lifestyle? Sometimes the home that once suited all of our needs perfectly can start to feel too big. I want to share Charlotte's story. After her husband passed away, it took her almost 8 years to decide to downsize. And her journey wasn't easy, but she took it one step at a time. If you're considering downsizing, here are some simple steps to help make the process smoother. First, go room by room. Start with the spaces you use the least, like guest rooms or storage areas. Decide what you really need and what you can let go of. Next, categorize your belongings. Create piles or boxes for items to keep, donate, sell, or throw away. This helps to visually manage the downsizing process. Take your time and don't rush. Downsizing is as much of an emotional journey as it is a physical one. Involve your family and friends for support and to share in the memories. And remember, it's about creating a space that fits your current lifestyle. A smaller home can mean less maintenance, lower costs, and more time to enjoy the things you love. In Charlotte's case, she downsized from about 2,000 square feet to almost 800 square foot apartment. That's a huge difference, but one that ultimately brought her peace and simplicity. So if you're wondering whether it's time to downsize, take a good look at your home and your lifestyle. And if you need guidance, I'm here to help every step of the way, and let's find the right size home for your life today.